Woven wheels look stunning, and they're so simple to create. The first step is to map out your wheel with an odd number of spokes. For the second step, you're going to weave thread around the spokes. A blunt tapestry needle will help you avoid catching the thread as you go round, but any needle is fine. Weave the thread over and under the spokes without piercing the fabric. Working with an odd number of spokes makes it easier to keep track of the weaving. Once you've gone round once, you can see the new stitches alternating with the previous ones. If I find I'm weaving the stitch in the same way as the last round, then I know I've made a mistake and need to go back a bit to see which spoke I've missed. As the thread doesn't go through the fabric, it's much easier to unpick a mistake, although you need to be gentle so that the threads don't get pulled too tight. Once you've filled up the wheel, take the needle down into the fabric and secure it on the reverse. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. If all goes to plan, my next video will be a quick embroidery project using a few simple stitches. If you'd like to see more tutorials, I have a Stitch Library playlist here. Please give this video a like and subscribe to get notified about my new tutorials and projects. Bye for now.